folks, I have Amy's Alto ukulele to show you today. In some ways it's pretty similar to other instruments I've built, but it also is truly unique, and that's what makes my job fun and interesting. So to begin with, the top is a beautiful book match piece of Alaskan yellow cedar that we harvested off the beach at Camp Westwind, and I love the little dark lines in there. It's really cool. There's some beautiful little tiny mineral stains and little specks that come from the natural part of the log. And the back and sides are some beautiful Oregon walnut that I got from the D mill down the road from me, and this is the same board of wood that all these Dave Matthews instruments I've done the last couple of years is from. And I like the one piece asymmetrical back. It's got some little curls in it too. It looks nice. And then the neck is a piece of wood, a species I've never tried before. I got two little chunks of wood from the guy at Camp Westwind, and he labeled it as Lebanon cedar, which I've heard of cedar Lebanon or Lebanon cedar before, but never got to use it. And I'm not sure how one of those trees ended up at Camp Westwind, because it's not native to America or Oregon. But hey, maybe somebody planted it as a decorative tree or something around one of the cabins. I'm not sure. But either way, I got these two chunks, and I realized they'd be pretty nice for necks for ukuleles. So it smells really sweet when you work it, which is kind of cool. So, you know, I book matched it and then put a piece of walnut down the middle, and the walnut ended up having this beautiful little scar in it, which I really like. Anyway, I think it's well suited to a neck. And then we've got more curly walnut for fretboard, head plate, and bridge. And I love how at the 5th fret this little mark was there in the walnut. There's also a handwritten message inside that Nicole did upon request of the customer that I'm not going to show you folks. But yeah. Oh, and then I did some bird's foot purfling on it and some green myrtle binding. It's got a nice neutral wabi-sabi look to it that I really like. So. Yeah, it's a really nice instrument. It's got kind of a sweet but breathy sound. I think this Alaskan yellow cedar has a little like air to the tone, which I like. So yeah, number 74 for Amy, ready to go. 74? 704 for Amy. Cheers.